Today, we are going to register an Amazon service. As you can see, the Amazon registration page is now open on your screen. To create an account, we need a phone number. For this, we will use the TrustOTP website. First, select the country for which you want to create the Amazon account. For example, I am selecting United States. After that, type Amazon in the search bar and select the service. Once the service appears, click on Get Code. Within a few seconds, you will receive a phone number. Copy this number. Now go back to the Amazon registration page, enter the number, and click on Continue. Then click on Proceed to create an account. Enter your first name and password, and click on Verify Mobile Number. Next, complete the reCAPTCHA by following the required steps and click Confirm. Once the verification is successful, Amazon will ask for a security code. Go back to the TrustOTP website. You will receive the verification code via SMS. Copy the code, return to the Amazon page, paste it, and click on Create your Amazon account. That's it. Your Amazon account has been successfully created. You can now use this account for business or any other purpose. The remaining details can be completed later. With the help of TrustOTP, you can easily register different services. The website link is available in the description box and the first pinned comment. For bulk purchases, contact us on Telegram. The community link is pinned in the first comment. I hope you liked this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.